Welcome to the Happiness Heroes segment. We have with us our very own Ankan Naik, who's part of the Happiest Minds UK team. Ankan has been a volunteer in the Oxford trial for COVID-19 vaccine. And over to Ankan now to tell us all about his journey and what made him participate in this trial. Ankan.
The reason I decided to volunteer for the vaccine trial at the Oxford University is because initially when the lockdown started back in March, we were all at our homes feeling very isolated, very anxious, quite helpless at times. And that's when my wife and I discussed and we said, we should try and do something for the local community if possible. And that's when I learned about the requirement of healthy volunteers for the vaccine trial. So we said to ourselves that at a time when we have hundreds of doctors, nurses and all the other frontline workers risking their lives for all of us, being young and healthy, we too have a responsibility towards the community. So we registered for it. Both of us were called for the screening. At the screening, they wanted to know about our medical history, whether we have any underlying health conditions, any diseases. They also took a sample of our blood to test for COVID-19, because if we had got infected with COVID before, then we wouldn't qualify for the trial. They also explained us about what this vaccine study involves and what are the potential risks. So after learning about the risks, my wife and I discussed again at home. We said, since we have a young kid at home, maybe if something goes wrong, then it will be too risky. So we decided that one of us will go for it. So I decided I will go. So I received a call from them that all my tests are done and it's all good to go. So I got vaccinated on the 13th of June. After vaccination, they also informed me that I could experience some side effects in the first 48 hours and I need to keep a watch. And it could involve things like fever or getting chills, body aches, getting a sore arm. But luckily, apart from getting a bit of tenderness on the injection site, I did not feel any side effects. So that way I was lucky. They also gave me an e-form that I had to fill up every day. It was regarding my health and any symptoms that I experienced. And besides that, I need to do a swab test every week and I have to send it to them. This is to test whether I am getting infected with COVID-19 or not. And they also asked me to come back after 3 months, 6 months and 1 year. So this study will continue for a year. Recently, when I learned that the results of the phase 1 trials have been published and they're looking very promising, I really felt very proud of myself that I have been part of this whole process and I have been able to make a small contribution to this massive effort that is going on across the world. And I sincerely hope that the vaccine is out in the market as soon as possible and it reaches out to the millions of people across the world and we get rid of this dreadful coronavirus very soon. Thank you very much and thanks for all the support to my wife, my family and all my friends. Thank you.